Hi guys, how you doing? I'm celebrity beauty photographer Matthew Jordan Smith. I'm going to show you how to make beautiful portraits with the Softlight Reflector. Welcome to our set. Today we're using the Profoto Softlight modifier, which comes with the Softlight diffusion and the grid, the 25-degree grid. For my first set, I'm going to use all three. First, a bare head, then diffusion. Then thirdly, I'll be using the grid. We're doing beauty all day today. Now for the second set, I'm going to use two different modifiers at the same time. I'll use them both with grids. Then for the third set, I'm going to add a little bit of different stuff by changing and using movement. I'll be doing a rear curtain sync, so I'll get the movement and the strobe giving me just this little pop. And then I'm going to use the ambient light from the strobe just to give me color. I'll have gel on it for the last shot. This is going to be wonderful and cool, so pay attention to everything we're going to do. This is our set. We've got a great model. Her name is Mioka. You're going to absolutely love seeing her go to work and bring this all to life. All right, let's go through our first setup. And this one is very simple. I'm using my main light, the Softlight modifier. Right now I have the Softlight diffusion, which is going to make it so beautiful. My light is fairly close to my model. She will be right here, and the light is directly over my camera and centered right on her. All right guys, here we are on the second set, and I'm using my favorite tools, the Profoto D2 strobe head with the Softlight modifiers. But what I've done is I've added two grids, one on our main light and one on the back light. If you're wondering what this V-flat is for, it's to block the light from the camera while it still hits my subject. So here, the light's coming from the back, it's lower, it's like 2 stops under our main to give me a little kiss of light, and then our main light with the grid. Here we are on set number 3. I'm using my Profoto D2 strobe head along with my favorite modifier, the Softlight Reflector. This time I'm using a grid again. Very important to have my main light with the grid. I'm also going to use a combination of 2 or 3 lights. We'll experiment first with having just 2 lights. The second light, I'm only using the modeling light on my strobe to give the color. I'll use red, blue, and yellow to see what works best. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm Matthew Jordan Smith, signing out.